Why is it that the crypto market has recently seen such a significant surge? What roles have Ethereum, Pandoshi, and BlockDAG played in this rise? These are the pressing questions we'll be diving into today. First off, Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency, has recently hit a significant milestone, reaching $3,000. This remarkable achievement has not only positioned Ethereum as a strong contender in the crypto market, but also triggered a ripple effect impacting other cryptocurrencies. But what's the reason behind this impressive rise of Ethereum? It's a combination of factors. For starters, Ethereum's upgrade to Ethereum 2.0 has brought substantial improvements in scalability, sustainability, and security, making it even more appealing to investors. Additionally, the growth of decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, which are predominantly built on the Ethereum platform, has also contributed to its popularity and value. This Ethereum surge has had a knock-on effect on other cryptocurrencies, particularly those involved in pre-sales, such as Pandoshi and BlockDAG. These coins have seen growth, with the BlockDAG pre-sale even outpacing the Pandoshi pre-sale. This positions the BDAG coin as a potentially big player in the upcoming crypto pre-sale scene. But why is the BlockDAG pre-sale outpacing the Pandoshi pre-sale? It's all about early access. Those who get in early on the BlockDAG pre-sale are likely to reap the benefits of early fortunes. This early access phenomenon is not new in the crypto world, but it's worth noting as it can significantly impact the fortunes of crypto investors. In summary, the recent rise in the crypto market can be attributed to the surge in Ethereum, driven by its upgrade and the growth of DeFi and NFTs. This has had a domino effect on other cryptocurrencies, boosting the likes of Pandoshi and BlockDAG, particularly with the promise of early fortunes in the BlockDAG pre-sale. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or new to the game, keeping an eye on these trends is crucial. After all, in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay ahead.